Right, I thought it'd be quite nice if we could do a lesson together. So I'm going to do a little bit of an introduction like I normally would in lesson, and then I want you to have a go at your work. So we're first of all going to have a bit of a recap on yesterday's lesson. Also, I hope that you can see me well. I've had to kind of rest you on some DVDs, so I do apologise. But first of all, we're going to do a bit of a recap. So we looked at yesterday the value of different digits in decimal numbers. So I've got here, what is the value of the digit 7? So we've got 7.321, we've got 2.712, we've got 3.073 and 1.027. Now if I have a go and circle all of the 7s, I want you to try and pause this video. Use the place value chart at the top if you need to. What is the value of each of those 7s in each number? And I'll give you a bit of time to pause the video if you need to. Tell an adult. Okay, you finished? Right, brilliant. So, what is the value of the digit 7 in this number? Brilliant, it's 7. Just 7, isn't it? 7 ones. If we put it in here, it'd be 7.321. Perfect. What about this one? Brilliant. It's 0.7 because the 7 would be in the tenths column. So if we wrote our number in our place value chart, it would be 2.712. Brilliant. What about our next one? 3.073. How would we write that? Fantastic, year 5. 0.07. So if we write our number again, 3.073. So it's in the hundredths column. Brilliant. Do we need that 0 there? Fantastic, yes we do, because otherwise we just have 0.7. We need that placeholder 0 there. Fantastic, to tell us that there are no tenths. Brilliant. What about this one? Fantastic, we'd write 0.007 because if we wrote our number 1.027, it's in the thousandths column, and again we need those placeholder zeros because if we don't have them, it's just going to be like 0.7. So we need those there to tell us that it is in the hundredths, the thousandths column, sorry. Okay, so now that we've had a bit of a look at that, I want us to move over to this. So today you're going to be looking at comparing decimals. So some of the questions, or the first set of questions that you are going to be answering is going to be, which is greater? And you will have 2 decimals to compare. So we've got 2.34 or 2.37. If I rub off this up here, we can put it into our place value chart. So we have 2.34 and 2.37. So we need to compare these numbers. Now, I don't think you can see it down here, so I might have to quickly try and draw one. But if we have a look at a number line, if I can draw one properly. If we have a look at a number line, so if we start off with 2.3, and then if we have 2.31, what would be the next number on our number line? Brilliant, it would be 2.32, well done. What about next? Fantastic, it would be 2.33, then 2.34, then 2.35, 2.36, 2.37, 2.38, 2.39, and then what would we have then? What would we have then? Fantastic, it'd be 2.4, okay? If we're going up on our number line in hundredths. So, which is greater? So we can look at the number line, but we can't always draw a number line in Year 5. That's going to take quite a bit of time, and eventually we should be able to do it in our heads. So if we have 2.34 or 2.37, if we have a look at our number line, which one is greater? Fantastic. We've got 2.37 here, and we've got 2.34 here. So 2.37 is greater. But another way you can do it is by looking at the place value of each digit. So if we have a look at the first one, if we look in the ones, now we're going to look at the most significant number, so the number that's furthest on the right. So we're going to start off with our ones because that's the most significant number. So look at our ones, so they're the same, so we can't compare those. So at the moment they're the same number. So we're going to look across at our tenths. We're going to move to the right each time. So look at our tenths. Now, are they the same? Fantastic. We've got 3/10 for both numbers. So again, we can't compare them. Let's have a look at our hundredths. They're different, aren't they? Fantastic. So we've got a 4 here and a 7 here, which means that this one, 2.37, must be greater. So we can put 2.37 is greater. Fantastic. So I'll have a go at one more, then you can pause the video and have a go at these questions on the slides. So if we have 4.32 or 4.21. Actually, let's have 4.22. So again, we'll have a look at our place value. We'll put them in. It's got 4.32 and 4.22. So again, we're going to have a look at the most significant number, our ones. So are they the same, Year 5? Yes, so we can't compare them at the moment. Let's go on to the next one. We've got our tenths. Fantastic. You've spotted that the top one, 4.32, has more tenths. It has 3/10, whereas this one has 2/10, which means that this one is greater. Fantastic, well spotted. So we've got 4.32, okay? Hopefully that makes sense, Year 5. Have a go at those questions. If you have any difficulties, let Mr. Lee or I know by commenting on the Google Classroom, and hopefully you will understand. If not, obviously, like I've just said, let us know, okay? And I'll see you later in the week.